Hi guys, in this video we will disassemble the headlight of Mercedes. For this, it's bolted here. Unscrew them and remove the headlight. This one and there have a one bolt in this place. This one and this one. Disassembling the headlight may be necessary for cleaning, replacing a broken internal element, for painting the interior, for install additional components, for example angle eyes, LED strips. For most car enthusiasts, the very thought of disassembling a headlight can be intimidating. However, this process is not too difficult if you study the information beforehand and do everything correctly. After that, there is a strip here to disassemble the socket of the headlight cleaner. But before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget put a bell so as not to miss new video on the channel. Friends, there's what the headlight washer nozzles look like. It must be carefully removed as you can damage the fastening elements. There are also electrical wires here. They must be disconnected. And when they assemble the headlight, it will be necessary to connect the chip tightly. If they are weakly connected, then the headlight will not work. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like and put a bell so as not to miss new video on the channel.